Hello guys, this is your boy Emmanuel and welcome back to yet another video from me. Today we're gonna look at a screen recorder which is nothing but a Google extension, and I'm gonna show you how it all works. And of course I'm talking about the Loom screen recorder. There is no downloadable version, so it is kind of a Google extension. I'm going to show you how Loom works and how to record the screen with Loom and what are all the other features that Loom offers to the users. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to quickly type Loom. There you go. I'm going to click on screen recorder option here. This is the home page of Loom video recorder. I'm just gonna click on download, and it quickly brings me to the sign up page where I could just click on sign up with Google. I'm gonna click my account. Alright, I'm gonna click on continue, finish. Alright, I already have done a screen recording. It is so simple. We can just log in into Loom and we can just start a new video just by clicking here. I'm just gonna click on new video, record a video. And it requests permission for using my microphone camera. I'm just gonna click on allow. There you go. Here is an option to choose screen and camera. There is an option for, just recording the screen only or the camera only. I'm just gonna choose screen and camera. So if you look at the bottom left corner here, I have my video camera loading. I'm not able to look at the camera feed here because I'm already recording my camera. Alright, so here I can just choose the resolution. My camera's resolution is here, and I also have an option to choose the microphone. I'm gonna use the microphone that I'm using right now. Alright, great. Now I'm gonna start recording, and I'm just gonna click on start recording here. Alright, here is a prompt that actually requests for usage of my microphone and camera, which I already have given permission to the browser. So I'm just gonna click on yes, proceed, and I get an option to choose the entire screen or a particular window or just a Chrome tab. I'm just gonna choose entire screen, click on the entire screen and click on share. There you go, the recording has started, and I'm gonna talk a few words so that we get at least 10 seconds of footage. Alright, I think that's okay. Now I'm just gonna click on pause button here and click on stop button here to finish my recording. There you go, you've recorded the video and it is awesome. So I'm just gonna click on play button here. There you go, the recording has started, and I'm gonna talk a few words so that we get at least 10 seconds of footage. Okay, this looks fantastic. Now I have an option to change thumbnail, call to action, video preferences and everything. Alright, so except for the trim and add clips section here, I'm not gonna get any other options here because let me show you. I'm just gonna click on call to action. I'm brought to this page where the software actually tells me that I cannot include a call to action and I need to have a business version. Alright, so I'll not do that now. I'll come back. But I could always include trim and add clips. I'm just gonna click here. And if you look at the bottom, I have an option to trim the video, you know, and edit the video. Or if I want, I could just add a clip from another recording that I did from Loom. So this is very simple, and I'm just gonna do a little cut here. I'm just gonna split, and I'm gonna just click on save changes here. There you go. All the changes that you have done has been applied to the video, and it is available. Alright, in case if you want to share this video, you can just click on share, and you could just enter email addresses. You can just, you know, alright, just include the email addresses of people that you want to share and just click on share here. Otherwise, you can just copy the link and send it to whoever you want. It's very simple and it's very efficient, and this is a very good tool for a short video recording. Of course, you get only 5 minutes of free recording, and that's a bummer. So I guess this is not an option for people who wants to record a session. I personally use Cloud, which is a better screen recorder than this, and it's a lot more efficient. There are a ton of options with Cloud, and I personally use Cloud for all my recordings. Alright, so I think that's it, and I hope this video was very useful to you guys. And until I see you in the next video, thanks and bye bye. Cheers. If you like my videos, please subscribe and look out for the other videos that I'm gonna post. Thank you for watching.